everyone, so for today's DIY you're going to need 16 hangers, a little pack of zip ties, and maybe some scissors. So here I'm basically just showing you a layout of what our snowflake is going to look like. It's really simple. You really just put the flat side of the hanger together and make sure the hook is facing the same way. You go all the way around until you create the snowflake. So like I was saying, you just make sure your flat sides are together and your hooks are facing the same way. Then you just zip tie at both ends to secure in place and trim the excess. We're also going to secure the hooks together, so everywhere the hooks meet, we're going to zip tie. Apply for the second layer. You secure them the same way, the hooks face the same direction, you alternate them, and you fasten them to the bottom layer. So this is what it looks like once you're done securing the outside. Then you move on to the inside where the hangers connect in the middle. You also zip tie there, clip the excess, and then you're ready to decorate it. And of course you can decorate it however you want. You could add lights to it, you can add a numerous amount of things. I've seen other posts where people Mod Podge it and add glitter to it. I mean, you can really do whatever you want with it. I went really simple. I just put a poinsettia in the middle and little snowflakes on each corner. And 5 minutes later, this is what my snowflake ended up looking like. Let me know what you guys think. I found the initial post on Pinterest from an account called The Shabby Tree, which I will be linking below in case you want to check them out. And yeah, let me know if you end up trying this. Let me know what you think. I really wanted to take the time and thank you guys for all the love and support. I see it on my comments. I see it everywhere on Instagram. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas.